Hi, my name is Ferris. I am a pet sitter. I am a photographer. I like to travel. I lived out of my van for a while. I'm trying to record this video. I'm just sitting in front of my camera, but hopefully with the power of editing, I can have all this B-roll because I've been documenting my life for many years, and I've posted a little bit, but most of it I've not. And I'm getting close to turning 28, so I've been an adult for almost 10 years. And it's a crazy time to be alive. So I just want to document my journey and help people in what ways I can and put out good vibes, build some community. I'm gonna do live streams. I think I'm gonna try and kind of talk about my journey, talk about how I'm growing as a human, how it can all improve, stuff like that. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but hopefully this goes well. This lighting is not good, but you know what? I think that's gonna be part of this whole thing. It's just me letting go and just being transparent, being authentic, But yeah, got a lot of cool stuff, I think, and thank you for joining along. Yeah, we'll just keep it at that for now, I guess.